Hi, that is Art is Easy, and today I will show you how to animate a flag in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. I will do some tricks to do that using some models of toonboom. I'm using toonboom Harmony Premium 21, and I think this model will can uh, that is present on toonboom since uh, 15 version, I think. Well, let's show you how we do that. Here I have two drawings, the this stand and the flag itself, and I did that totally flat, and you will know why. Um, Here in the node library, if you don't have uh, this this tab here, just click in the plus button and find here node library, and we will appear here. I will find a mesh warp, this model. uh, we place above the drawing. uh, Everything in the toonboom we have above in the hierarchy. Doing a command for everything is below that. If is the green cable, the blue cable is image, so it don't affect movements and something like that. So to show where is the mesh warp, we can use this orange trail here. uh, if it's not appear for you, you it's uh, to preset, no. Oh, camera view. uh, right click in the gray bar, and camera view, it's here use this orange thing. So the mesh warp, we have these points here, and we can change, we can move, right? So what I need to do is I will let just one row and a lot of columns, right? We'll do something like that, and I will adjust, try to fit the the size of the flag, and uh, wider than the flag itself. So now I just click in the points. You can hold shift and select more than one point. So I will do that. I will, and just drag down, and I can adjust the randos. I can make uh, some changes in the perspective. And okay, I'm just changing a bit. Now I'm going to the timeline. Here we have a keyframe of the mesh warp. I will hold shift, click and drag to move the mesh warp. I put the another side. I think it will be better. and I will make another keyframe. We can press F6 or just clicking this button, right, like KF uh, with the plus above. I hold the shift and drag all the way to the right, and now I have two keyframes of animation, and I just drag this keyframe to whatever I want, and we have our animation done, mostly done. Right, when you press play, he has this movement here, and you can see it's a easy way to do a flag, and very fast. So to make it better, uh, I don't like so much that is changing the height. It's going up and down. I will do something to make that's more in the same position. To make our life easier, I will mm, I will do some markers. I will select the color here. I will just make a point here and a point here, so we'll know where the flag is fixing in the stands. So above the mesh warp, I I click Ctrl P to make to create a peg, or just click here in the three bars, uh, insert and peg. I can adjust the pivots right here. So I will make a keyframe in the beginning and the end. I can go, and every time it's in the right position, I will mark another keyframe. Right, right. Okay. Now, you can see the that's going up and down in the frame 1, uh, frame 20, 40 and 60. So I know the exactly half is the 10, 30 and 50. So I just drag here and put the right position, put the right position here and the right position here. I select everything and turn on the interpolation. Now the flag is mostly in the same position. We had some variation because the way the the waves go makes some uh, acceleration and deceleration. So uh, to fix that, I will make the animation by 2, because I think that is make more cartoonish like a, a real animation, 2D animation. So I select everything here and we can click in this button. I press OK and turn off. So I can go just in the frames and give some adjusts. I'm using the keyboard arrows to go up and down. Right. Just a few more frames and we'll be done. And when I press play, we have a flag. Oh. And now I can just delete these markers and we have our animation done. Uh, in the loop there is some stranger things, but we can use that in the simplest in the simpler animation, or I don't know if it's far away in the scene, or we can also use that as a slide reference. If we can do some full animation, so we can uh, make another drawing above that, like um, can draw, fix something we don't like, or doing something more interesting visually, like some overlaps and something like that. uh, if you want to see, I'm using this kind of reference to do some full animation above. Write down in the comments below. Let me know what you are want to learn about. So uh, the videos get a bit bigger than 5 minutes, but when you are doing that, probably will took about 5 minutes to do this flag, because I stopped to introduction and to explain some things of the programs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and leave your like, please. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye.